To create an abstract background with your chalk pastels, you are going to lay down some of the chalk, and I want you to think about colors that would blend well together when mixed. So colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, or warm colors or cool colors. Those are all colors that would work well. You don't necessarily want to mix warm and cool colors together, or colors that are complementary, because then when you mix those, you are going to end up getting colors that are kind of brown tones. So I'm just kind of laying down some marks. You can do lines, you could do swirls, scribbles, and just kind of laying down some color. And then I have what is called liquid starch, and I'm just going to dip my finger in the liquid starch, and I am just kind of smearing and blending those colors together. And what it's doing is kind of taking those chalk pastel colors and blending them together. So I would continue doing that for the whole paper. One of my favorite things about using liquid starch with chalk pastel is that typically chalk pastel is very messy, and it kind of blends and bleeds together and gets all over things. But once you are mixing it with liquid starch, that liquid starch actually kind of acts like a sealer, and it will be kind of glossy a little bit when it's dry, and it won't smear anymore. And we are going to use these papers for our prints. So maybe experiment with a variety of colors, and maybe get 3 to 4 pieces of paper so that you can test your print on a variety of colored backgrounds.